What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing my lip on my car and we're painting up my front end. But obviously, like we said a couple videos back, obviously Subi's in this garage, so we're going to be doing it at Andrew's because this is still our project car and we really don't want to take it off the jack stands and everything just to put on a couple lips or anything like that. So we're going to head back to Andrew's just to do it there, just because, like I said, Subi's in here, project car. So we're going to head back to Andrew's. So I'm going to have to load up my car, put all the stuff in that we're going to need for the video. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to load up my car with all the stuff we're going to need for this video. Like I said, we're just putting on my front lip. We're also painting right across there, so it's black, so it all kind of blends in. But yeah, that's what we're doing today on my car. It's a super nice day out too. It feels amazing. I'm excited just to have the shop doors open when we're working on our cars. But yeah, let's load up the car and then head back to Andrew's to put on my front lip and paint up my car.
Alright guys, so Josh showed up. Like he said earlier, we were just painting the little lip on his bumper and then the fog light things here. And then we're also going to install an Evo lip on his car. Obviously, it's not on an Evo, but it is on the Evo conversion kit, so it will still look good. It's not the full, like, huge lip that most Evos, like lowered ones and stuff, have, but it is an Evo lip and it will look good. We might paint it in the future, or he might even get a new one, but for now we're going to install this one. So right now let's get into taping off the pieces for paint, and then we're going to let that dry and then throw on the lip. Alright guys, so as you guys just saw in that last clip, we did have to close the garage door. Obviously the paint doesn't like being painted on just paint in general, and it did not like the cold that there was. So we have a heater set up and then a heater to heat the whole garage. So it's bonding a lot better now that the door is closed. It's kind of crappy for clips, but if it's going to make the paint look better, then that's a huge plus. So we're just going to have to deal with that. We'll show you the finished product, of course, and show you how nice it looks. But for now, we're just trying to make sure that it bonds, because the first couple coats were not that great. So we're just going to keep painting, putting on a couple layers, and then we're going to put on the lip.
Alright guys, so we got the car jacked up, ready to install the lip. Like we said again, it's the Evo lip that we're going to put on the car. Pretty easy install, just a couple screws on the side and then the center. So it's pretty much like all our other lip videos. So this is kind of like a throwback video, at least for me and Andrew. It feels like we just did this and now we're doing it again. It feels amazing. This is like our old stomping grounds and we're installing the lip video. This is what we were known for. So the video is kind of not the best. It's a lip install. There's nothing really special, but let's get into installing this lip and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so we got the lip on. As you guys see, it looks alright. This is the Evo conversion bumper, so we don't know if it's just because of that it doesn't fit 100%, as you guys can see. It has a little gapping there, but other than that, the fitment is honestly pretty nice, surprisingly. We weren't too sure if it was going to look alright because this is the conversion kit, and it's pretty similar as the Evo bumper. Down the road, I might paint it white to match my car. I'm not too sure what color I want it to be, so we're going to leave it black for now, drive around with it, see how it looks. Quality's pretty good. We'll link it down below if you guys want this for your bumper. It's an Evo bumper though, so it won't fit your base Lancer. You could probably try it. It might fit. It kind of fit on Andrew. We tried it, but for the Evo bumpers. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Make sure you check out all our social media, sboys_TV. Also, if you guys want to buy anything on Motor Element, use code sboys for 15% off. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like the lip if you want it for yourself. Like I said, we'll link it down below. But yeah, guys, see you guys next video. All right, guys, so we got the